All right, let's take a look at a beautiful hanging chandelier or scone if you want to see it. First of all, look at this. Shiny through sparkling gold, if you guys can see it. Not real gold, but it's metallic, all right? Metallic gold. Plastic on this one, so you don't have to worry about dropping. It looks like glass, but it's plastic. But this is the light. LED light, really bright. You guys can see that. We're gonna set this up today and see how well it works. All right, we're gonna test it out. But first of all, we're gonna hang it, and this goes underneath of it, of course, and then you top it off. All right, this is the top off. All right, so we're gonna put it together so you guys can see how it looks. Now, high ceilings included the cable, long cable, but like the other one, you go actually retain more of the cable inside. You don't have to worry about it. Three cables you got to worry about: ground, neutral, and hot. All right, and then they're just tied down, holding down by two screws here. So we're going to set this up today and see how beautiful it looks. Instructions are included. All right, check out the light, guys. This is how bright it is. Beautiful little light. I'm going to show you guys the inside. Underneath of it, it's really bright. If you guys can see that. Beautiful ambiance to any room that you're designing. It's a little dim, but if you want it maybe for a restaurant, a bar, a grill, or maybe your living room or your dining room, beautiful, elegant little light. I like the inside of it. You guys can see the inside. Try not to touch it. It leaves a lot of fingerprints. In fact, I had to clean all that because it's chrome, gold chrome. But look at how beautiful it looks. Now, you could set this up for high ceilings. It's gonna brighten it up. Look how bright it is around it. It's like a spotlight. So the higher you go, the brighter it gets on the floor. See that? So if you're looking for something like this for your decor, beautiful.